Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for August 12th to the 16th. That's August 12th to the 26th. I'm sorry. For August 12th to the 16th, we have a trough area along off the west coast. Also here over the northeast. We go to the previous period. Go to the previous other models here. You can see what I'm talking about. And we have a ridge across the west central states. Now, we will have a cold front that is moving through the east right now, and that will approach the Gulf Coast and stall, and that will be the focus here for showers and storms. And also, you can see here monsoonal moisture will persist and into the Intermountain West early next week. And then we'll have very warm temperatures at 10 to 15 degrees above normal across the interior northwest into northern and central plains through the later half of the week. Last across the central plains and parts of the mid-Mississippi Valley this weekend and early next week. So the heat's not over. Hopefully it's over here in the northeast or in the east. Okay, look at the period now for August 17th to 21st. A ridge is forecast here near the Aleutians, trough here south of the Aleutians and along the west coast. Ridge here across the west central states, still a very strong ridge. Trough here in the east. So the model's in good agreement with that. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures for much of this area here, with the numbers of 12 degrees above normal, mainly across this area here. Could be some isolated locations across this area. And below normal temperatures forecast here with anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees below normal. I think maybe, 2 to 4 degrees below normal in some locations. And for precipitation, calling for, is this the right map? Okay, yeah. Above normal precipitation forecast here. And the probability of occurrence is 40%. Below normal precipitation forecast for this region, probability of occurrence is 40%. Now we're going to look ahead to the last period. It's for August 22nd to 26th. Still have a trough, ridge, trough configuration persistent across the country, but I don't think it's as pronounced as it was in previous period, but it's still there. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for little change in temperature anomalies. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence of 40%. Below normal precipitation forecast for much of this region here. Probability of occurrence near 40%. And I'm hesitant to walk this back a little bit. I gotta see how trends go. I might have to trim this back to further into the Midwest, but for now I'm keeping it this way. And there's a lot of talk about the tropical wave possible development. The National Hurricane Center only gave it, now it's down to 30% because shower activity has decreased. So it may not develop as of yet. Now, there is talk that if this system remains weak, it could travel further to the west and form somewhere off the southeast and mid-Atlantic coast. If it forms further out, because the stronger systems get swept by the easterlies, and it can take it and pull it out to sea. So it still needs to be watched. So that's the long-range weather forecast discussion for August 12th to 26th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.